Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am showing how to make paniyaram in English and how to make ponganalu in Telugu. Both are same recipes but I am telling in English and Telugu. For that you need dosa batter, finely chopped onions. I used one big onion, salt as much as you required, few curry leaves, 2 to 4 green chilies chopped, and I took one big spoon of chana dal and I soaked them for 1.5 hours. A pinch of turmeric and a pinch of cooking soda. First we need to remove water from chana dal completely. After removing water from chana dal, we need to pour them in dosa batter. And turmeric, cooking soda, salt, finely chopped onion, green chilli and curry leaves. I forgot to mention at the start of video, we need to also add mustard seeds and little cumin seeds, which is 1/4 spoon. And we need to mix everything. While we are mixing this, we need to turn on the stove as well and keep your pan on the stove and wait until stove heated. Now I turn on my stove and I am waiting until the pan heated. So until then I will mix this mix properly. Do not add too much water into this dosa batter. If you add too much water, then the paniyaram won't come properly. So do not add too much water. Now the pan isn't heat, but we need to leave a drop of oil in every hole before we make paniyaram. After you turning on the stove, do not pour the batter quickly. Wait at least 2 to 3 minutes to heat the pan. After you mix your batter, you should keep aside and check whether pan is heated or not. Yes, my pan is heated and ready to make paniyaram. So I am going to do paniyaram this size. Do not fill all the hole and fill only 3/4 because once they heated, then they are going to be blow little bit. I mean the size will increase. So please do not make paniyaram on high flame because they won't cook inside if you put high flame. Once you put all of paniyaram, then you should wait at least 5 minutes to flip them other side. Otherwise, and do not touch them until 5 minutes, because they won't cook properly and they will mess your pan. So please wait for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes we will check whether they are ready or not, and we will do it slowly and gently. Yeah, we will flip to other side, and we will do all of these slowly to flip other side. We will flip slowly and gently. If they cook very well, they will come themselves like this. If they don't cook, then they don't leave the pan and they will break as well. This isn't cook as well. And this is, yes. So we will see this one again. It isn't cooked, so we will wait for 1 minute. So we will flip this one as it is coming up slowly and gently. We will flip also this one. We will try this one slowly. As you can see, this one is not cooked very well, that's why it is broken. So wait if they don't come properly. If they cook very well, they will come like this very easily. It takes some time, but it is worth to try this recipe. You can even have them without any chutney or with chutney. We will wait at least 5 to 8 minutes to cook on low flame these. Now our paniyaram is almost ready. We will take them out with a small fork like this. You can see both sides it's cooked very well. I am also making ready my pan to second round, and I filled with a drop of oil in it. Now I am keeping batter in every hole. I will give this dosa batter link in my description box. You can check in description box this dosa batter link. Now our Paniyaram or Ponganalu recipe is ready to have. I am having them with tomato ketchup. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another healthy recipe.